A secured card deposit is usually returned only after the card issuer confirms that the account qualifies for release, not simply because you have had the card for a certain amount of time. If you are waiting for your deposit back, you will learn what triggers a refund, why some deposits take longer, and what steps you can take to check your status. The main reason a secured card deposit is held is that the money acts as collateral for the credit line. The issuer keeps that deposit as protection while you build a payment history and manage the account. A refund usually happens when the issuer reviews your account and decides that the security deposit is no longer needed. Some issuers automatically review accounts, while others may require you to meet specific account requirements before the deposit is released. The first thing to check is whether your account is still open and in good standing. Missed payments, unpaid balances, or account issues can affect whether a deposit is returned. Next, check your card issuer's rules for graduation or deposit release. Many secured cards have different processes, so the answer depends on the specific company that issued your card. You can usually find this information by checking your online account, reviewing your card agreement, or contacting customer support. Ask whether your account is eligible for deposit review and whether any action is required from you. If your deposit has not been returned yet, do not assume something is wrong. A secured card issuer may need to complete an account review before releasing the funds. Another thing to remember is that closing the account is not always the same as receiving your deposit immediately. The issuer may still need to confirm that the account balance is settled and that there are no remaining obligations. To avoid delays, keep your payments on time, monitor your account balance, and respond to any requests from the issuer. The key points are simple. Your deposit is held as security, the issuer decides when it can be released, and checking your account status is the fastest way to understand what is happening. Your next step is to contact your card issuer and ask specifically about your secured deposit release status. If this helped you understand how secured card deposits work, like the video and subscribe for more credit questions explained clearly.